Hello friends, today's topic, with less salary can you reach 50 crores? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Most people dream of having multiple crores at some point in life. However, only a few people who are very focused will achieve it. Usually, people think that the secret of making a lot of money in stocks is to earn very high percentage returns. Of course, it is important to earn a decent rate of returns, but the real magic is in the number of years the investment can be made. With the help of stock markets and mutual funds, middle class Indians can also dream of becoming multi-crororepatis. In this generation, an educated graduate can earn 25,000 to 30,000 at the age of 23 years or so. If the student has passed out from a highly reputed institution, the starting salary may be even 30 to 40,000 per month. Let us assume that the starting salary is 30,000 per month and he or she saves rupees 10,000 per month, since expenses are usually lower due to low commitments and family support. Usually, this discipline and knowledge to start early comes only if the parents are motivated and guided the children to invest for the first month of earning. When parents have not guided the children on finance due to their lack of knowledge, we have observed that the children start investing in stocks and mutual funds much later in life, such as 30s or 40s. So if a person can invest 10,000 per month in stocks and mutual funds out of the salary of 25 to 30,000 to the age of 23, he is investing only around 35% or so of his money, and the rest can be spent. If she or he can increase the savings by around 10% per year, which is quite realistic for most people, the wealth creation can be huge without making a major sacrifice in life. Corpus creation scenarios: if investment started at the age of 23, 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up. Returns are 12% in a mutual fund. Duration 37 years. Final corpus 21.48 crores, and today's value considering 6% inflation 2.49 crores. Now the second scenario is 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up, and in case you are getting 14% rate because of the long-term investment, duration 37 years, final corpus 31.45 crores, and today's value considering 6% inflation 3.64 crores. 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up, and if you are going to get 16% returns, duration 37 years, final corpus 47.23 crores, and today's value considering 6% inflation 5.47 crores. Now corpus creation scenario: if investment started at 28, 10,000 plus 10% per annum step up, 12% returns for 32 years, final corpus 10.97 crores, today's value considering 6% inflation 1.7 crores. 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up, if you're going to get 14% for 32 years, you get 15.17 crores, and 10,000 per month, 10% per annum step up with 16% returns for 32 years comes to 21.37 crores. Now corpus creation scenario: if investment started at the age of 33, 10,000 per month, 10% per annum step up, 12% returns you are getting, duration 27 years, final corpus 5.47 crore. 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up with 14% for 27 years comes to 7.16 crores, and 10,000 per month plus 10% per annum step up, 16% you're going to get, and duration 27 years, final corpus 9.48 crores, and today's value considering 6% inflation 1.96 crores. Please note that the major part of the increasing salary is being used for living expenses. Only a small portion is getting invested. If you start early, you don't need to sacrifice today's pleasures to create large corpus of future. Please note that due to advancements in medical technology, life expectancy will keep rising in the future. So, if our health is good at the age of 60 till 70 or 75, we have scope to keep spending our money for travel and various other expenses. Many people are going to be surprised to see that they will have a long life if they don't take that info into consideration when planning their finances. They may need to depend on their children by the time they are 65 or 70 years. Even if you have started investing a little late in life, make sure that your next generation does not make the same mistake. This will be your victory if they can achieve what you could not in your life. So guiding your children on the benefit of compounding is an essential part of parenting. Please note, making money provides freedom to take decisions as well as gives us capacity to help others. Here is an announcement. ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ಕೆಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹಣ ಹೂಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. YouTube live discussion for all channel members tomorrow 8th January Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. End of the video, here's the question. At what age do you plan to give financial knowledge to your next generation? Type the age in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.